Hello, Aries. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your monthly love predictions for the month of September 2020. Before I start the reading, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. These are general readings. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Looking into your energies for the month, the reading is divided into three parts: below 21 to 28 and 28 and above. Starting with the reading for below 21. Nine of Swords. You have lost your sleep over a relationship. You have assumed the worst that could come in a relationship, and you have a lot of anxiety this month. However, the other person sees you as their soulmate. They see you as their best friend, their constant, their advisor, all wrapped in one. However, by the end of the month, you think that the relationship would last for a lifetime, and this isn't happening. It could also mean a third party situation. You or them could be having a third party situation, and you are advised to let go. It could also be a very small play of deception. This is not something very huge. They might just be seeing your reaction on how you work out in such a situation, and it could not be something very serious. But you will remain very, very anxious, and you will have a lot of tension. So before you tend to do anything, just evaluate it a little more rationally, and you might just figure out that this is just a small play of deception. The ones between 21 to 28, you might feel that this relationship is moving too soon. You are not able to get through around it. You have to take every decision based on this relationship, and this is something that's annoying you. On the other hand, this person on the other person is really, really emotional. He's very, very could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could be very rational, and this person could be very emotional. They are on the edge of giving up on this relationship because they think that you are not interested in them anymore. Aries, why are you making them feel like that? Four of Swords. I think both of y'all will take a break to understand what's happening, what's not happening, and I think this break will get you the big happy changes in your life. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. I think you are going through something of that sort, and that's why you're not able to give in those emotions that are required in the relationship. And I think that's all that is causing the confusion. Again, a lot of miscommunication, a lot of misinterpretation of feelings and words here. I think that's overall for all my Aries here. The Empress, you feel, the ones above the age of 28, you feel that this person is capable of being the mother or father of your children. You see them in those roles, and you are very, very proud of who you are or who you are with. The other person, however, may feel very rigid. They may not want to give in everything into the relationship. And as much as you might feel love and abundant towards this person may be scared of giving them their all. However, I think the approach that both of y'all will take is that, okay, if you're there, you're there. If you're not there, it's okay. That's the King of Swords energy. Although you or them, you both really like each other, but I think you're just taking a very practical stance, or you might be just busy with a lot of other things. An advice for you would be ask your angels, affirm positive things, and see good dreams. Have positive visualizations, and this thing will help you. Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. I think this is very temporary, not something permanent. Your struggles are ending, and things will look good for you. So don't worry. Don't worry, Aries. If this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.